We at Universal Business Crew has more than 60 years of manufacturing excellence experience. Our legacy has been to make a best world-class product. So mainly we are engaged into manufacturing of fasteners. When I say fastener, it's typically nut and bolt. Apart from that, we make very precise machine component. Our unwavering commitment for new technology adoption. This is one step we have taken. We have taken this machine from Phillips Machine Tools and manufactured by EOS. One of the initiative what we have taken for futuristic business and futuristic technologies. We see a lot of future coming for medical and aerospace, wherein we have a very complex part and the raw material is very, very expensive. So we have been doing printing of material like aluminium, stainless steel, MS, titanium, A286, Encoller even. So all these material we have successfully done the trials, and if you see the parts what we have produced are much better than the traditional way of manufacturing fasteners or the parts which we have been manufacturing the other ways. If you look at the output in terms of the strength is better of the product, and your finish is much better. Your aesthetic is much better, and the best part is you don't reject anything on this machine. So this is something really unique about this machine. So when we produce part with this machine, with this technology, which is 3D printing, one is we get the advantage of higher productivity. Second is our raw material is safe, so we don't waste our raw materials or such. And then third is, which is very, very important for a business, that we have brought down our new product development time by 90%. This is a very significant achievement. So we can service our customers well with this machine. So mainly in future we are targeting aerospace, very high and complex part, and for the medical industry. So where the parts will go to the human body. So these kind of products we are targeting with these machines. We will keep investing in such machines.
So we have EOS M290 machine. Along with the build height, like we can print up to 250 253 height, and we have in this machine we have a 400-watt laser, and we can print different types of material. Even we can achieve the tolerance up to 0.2 and as per ISO 2768. And if you see the interface of this machine is very easy to use. We can easily operate this machine by within 1 week training. So recently, if you see the part, we have printed this component for defense sector. This is like a moving arm parts, and even along with parts we have printed some coupons, tensile coupons to ensure the mechanical properties of this part. And if you see the RA value, we have printed this component in a 60 micron layer thickness. So we achieve like 6 to 8 RA value for this component.
Coming to the support of Phillips Machine Tool and EOS teams, we are very happy with their support. These guys are coming here training, giving training to our employees and people who are running this machine. It is really, really remarkable. And I thank you to their team for their continuous support. And I highly recommend their team. Thank you very much.